Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. We are given a Java code. Our task is to convert this Java code to Python so that the program runs successfully. So we are given a Java code. Our task is to convert this Java code to Python so that the program runs successfully. Now this is our given Java code. Here this is the main method, and inside the main method we are having a class scanner and object SE and getting our input, and another class called string builder having object SB, which is equal to new string builder. String builder is nothing but it is used for operations in a string. So here we are having a while loop, while sc dot has next line. This has next line is nothing but it will get the input until the user enters it. So this while loop is an infinite loop. So string curline, which is equal to ac dot next line, and we are splitting it by space. We are getting the input line from the user and splitting it by a space, and next we are iterating over the for loop and getting each word in the line, and we are appending the last character of each word to the SB by using the for loop. So finally we are printing the words in SB in reverse order, so dot to string. So this is our code, Java code. Here we are getting the input line from the user and splitting it by a space, and by using for loop we are iterating over each word and adding the last character of each word, that is appending it to the SB, and finally we are printing the characters stored in SB in reverse order as output. Now let us consider our test case for better understanding. So this is our given test case. Here we are having 3 lines as input. So first let us have SB, which is equal to an empty string, and now let us consider this first line. So cur line, which is equal to the first line. So here the first word, second word, third word and fourth word, there are 4 words. So the last letter of each word should be appended to the SB. So L, K, R and H will be SB. And now let us consider for our second line. Here there are 3 words. So X, G and R should be appended. And finally the third line. So here we are having 6 words. So I, O, W, E, U and 3. So we have calculated for all the 3 lines. So now our task is to print the SB in reverse order as our output. So our reverse of SB will be 3 U E W O I R B X H R K L. So this will be our required output. Now let us convert this Java code to Python by implementing our logic. Here first we are assigning SB to an empty string, so SB which is equal to an empty string, and next we are getting an input by using infinite while loop. So for that, let us have a while true. So this is an infinite loop which runs until the user enters the input, and let us have a try block and get our input curline, which is equal to input dot split. So, and in the except block, let us break this loop. If the user completes his input, we have to break this loop. So curline, which is equal to input dot split. Now we have to do our operation inside this try block. So for, we have to iterate over each word by using for loop. So for word in curline, and we have to append it to SB. So SB plus equal to word of -1. And finally we have to print the reverse of SB. So print SB of -1. So this will print the reverse of SB. So this will be our required code to execute this problem.